Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, does CommBank operate internationally? The Commonwealth Bank of Australia, or CommBank, does have an international presence. While its main focus is on the Australian and New Zealand markets, it operates in several other countries. CommBank has offices and branches in a number of locations in Asia, Europe, New Zealand, and North America. These international locations primarily serve corporate and institutional clients with business interests in Australia, and also Australian clients who have business in those regions. For individual customers, CommBank offers a range of international services without requiring them to visit a physical branch overseas. You can send international money transfers to over 200 countries through their app or online banking. They also offer foreign currency accounts and travel-related services like a travel money card and travel insurance. However, it's important to note that certain online services may not be available in countries subject to sanctions. So, while CommBank does have an international footprint, its services abroad are primarily for business and institutional clients. For personal banking needs while traveling, the bank provides digital services to make managing your money easier. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.